Bring your DAZ 3D artwork to life inside Reallusion's CrazyTalk. Hello, welcome to Reallusion's CrazyTalk. Today we're talking about how we can bring your artwork to life from DAZ 3D Studio inside CrazyTalk 5. First of all, you'll want to use DAZ 3D Studio to generate a 3D character. One of your characters can then be exported as a JPEG or a bitmap, and then you'll bring that into CrazyTalk, where inside the CrazyTalk facial fitting editor, we'll use a few guide points to set up a full mask that will control animation for our character. So we can zoom in a bit and get the best fit on the corners of the mouth or the corners of the eye. Then select Next. In the next section, we'll go ahead and select the face profile style. This is where we determine whether it's a cartoon, an animal, or a human. And so in this case, we'll go ahead and select human. And OK. Now, at this point, our image is actually ready to animate, but we're going to do a couple of fine-tune adjustments. By clicking on the Mask Reveal tool up in the top left-hand corner, we can open up our mask, and this mask is generated automatically by the 4 points that we plotted earlier in the fitting process. So CrazyTalk sets the entire face up for you, and then what we want to do is maybe come in here, and in this case I like to pull the boundary of the face out just a bit beyond. And a good thing to consider here is that everything that you want to have animated inside the image should be within this facial boundary. Now, for the fine-tune adjustments on the eyes and the mouth, we'll use the zoom tool again, and then we'll just click and drag on any of these dots in order to pull them into place. Generally for the eyes, you want to pull these lines just inside the eyelid to get the best result. Now we'll do the same thing on the other eye. And as you can see, it only takes a moment really for you to set up images for facial animation inside CrazyTalk. We're doing this in real time, so you can see it's just a few clicks and you're ready to start animating. So we'll fix the nose by adjusting the width, pulling down the tip of the nose, and then obviously the most important part here is the mouth. So we want to make sure that the mouth is completely inside the boundary there, and then that we have properly separated the upper lip and the lower lip. Just like that. Okay, now when we're happy with that, we can zoom back out and turn off our mask. And then we'll move into a little bit of dental work here. Because our character has no teeth, his mouth is shut, then CrazyTalk has to do the work to add the teeth back in the scene. So we can select one of the models here. You can also create your own teeth by using our bitmap import. So you can follow our guideline, create your own teeth if you like, or you can just use the slider adjustments here to get the look that you want. That's pretty good. And also in this area, you could change the eyes if you like, if you want to have a different eye. But in this case, I like the eyes of our avatar, so we're going to keep that as it is. And we'll select OK. So we can save this model now to our custom library by clicking Add. And that'll appear there, and then we can name it. And that sets up everything for our character to start animating. So to begin animation, we'll go to the script section. And the script section of CrazyTalk is where we're going to record our audio for our character to speak, and we're also going to fine-tune the animation. You could alternatively import an MP3 or a WAV file to make your characters talk as well. So I'll click the red record button here to bring up our sound recorder. If you've ever recorded any audio on a PC whatsoever, you can do facial animation with CrazyTalk. It's very simple. And when you're ready to start recording, go ahead and hit the record button. Bring your DAZ 3D artwork to life inside Reallusion's CrazyTalk. With it recorded, all you need to do now is select OK. The facial animation is automatically added to your character. Now we just select a mood to display whenever we talk. I'll choose the Evil Intention mood. Bring your DAZ 3D artwork to life inside Reallusion's CrazyTalk. Go ahead and select the Output tab and then choose from different video, image, web, or mobile-ready output go from everything from HD video all the way down to something for your website or for your mobile iPod or PSP. Thanks a lot, and enjoy animating your characters from DAZ Studio inside CrazyTalk. Bring your DAZ 3D artwork to life inside Reallusion's CrazyTalk.